Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Friday trade review.
All right, traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with your Friday trade review, and today we're reviewing some trades. Just to make sure you guys are all caught up and happy on your technical analysis. Dust off those shoulders because it is the weekend, time to get some studying and some grinding action in and learning some stuff. All right, so let's go review some trades and talk through a few, actually, that some traders traded. First and foremost, I will look at the one that I set up on AMD this morning. Tried to buy it all the way down here at 81.72 with a stop at 80.72 and target at 82.81. The goal, obviously, was just simply to buy low, sell high. We did play AMD a little bit on the bearish side early this morning because, as you all know, I'm sure, AMD has been selling off religiously for the first 10-15 minutes every morning the last 3 months. So AMD trade down to a support. RSI was nice and low, so there's RSI this morning right here, and it had a little bit of a divergence, which is beautiful. Boom, and then bang, RSI divergence. So that would have been a great place to enter, but I didn't get filled, alas. So no big deal. That will absolutely happen. But what I will like to review is the trade that your boy John Alonzo played. So here's J.A. Johnny Alonzo, and this guy is a AMD day trading phenom. So he focuses primarily on this. I think made like 8 Rs last month just on AMD. And what you'll notice is pretty simple. He had a support at 82.44, nothing crazy there. If you're wondering why did he have a line there, that was the low of yesterday. So good job, John. Stock trade down, bunch of bear volume, boom, bull high wave candle, bang, bang, got to close above it. So he simply did a limit buy at the high of the high wave and had a stop loss a little bit lower. Trade kind of reversed, popped up, trade to his target for 1R, bang, bang, bang. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Obviously could have held for a little bit more, but we never ever, and I do mean never ever, we never ever sell the exact high on any trade. So great job taking that R, and wonderful work, man. So that's John Alonzo's trade on AMD. Let's go look at how my boy Steve Hoff played Pinterest. So pin on the 5-minute chart. Looks like he did a similar strategy. Had a nice limit buy, probably where some stops were placed below pre-market low from the day before yesterday. 83.19 by 82.73 had a limit buy and then a target. So a little bit of a scalping strategy, throwing some orders down there just to see if it gets filled. And it did. Let's find out why he thought it was going to bounce. And oh yeah, because the trend's really strong. So you did have a nice bull trend on Pinterest. I mean, this thing is just absolutely rocket ship mode. So what Steve did is just put his entry below the wick of yesterday, more or less just being the trap. So here's the 5-minute chart. And again, I did not personally do this trade, but if I had to look at what Steve was looking at, oh yeah, look how clean and simple that is. That's just a really, really obvious support resistance. Pre-market was already down a little bit. So, you got this pre-market resistance from April 6th. It was a great support on April 7th. It was a post-market support on April 7th as well. That's why he threw in a limit buy down there, right there. Had a stop loss and then just got out for an R and some change. So what's that? Yeah, for 1R win. So good job, Steve. Also notice RSI, nice and low, right at that buy zone. Beautiful job, bro. Okay, now let's go look at Jack Whalen's 2R, 2.3 Rs on Levi swing trade. First one of April on the swings. So we got 2 day trades and 1 swing trade. So let's go check it out. LEVI, Levi Strauss. Here's the daily chart. And the daily chart, this was a trade that I set up not too long ago, this little cute double bottom, mostly coming in from this volume candle, and this little double bottom play was really pretty. Never filled though. I missed this trade by $0.07. Man, 17-cent Newsom strikes again. So Levi Strauss, new white soldier here on the 5th of April. Let's see, obviously a bullish candle here on March 25th. Overall trend is bullish. Oh, okay, that's nice. Old pre-IPO high, old resistance, new support. So this was an S-curve play. Meow. Started consolidating, and Jack probably got in around there. And I'm assuming held over earnings, and it worked out. I don't know if he knew it was earnings. No, it probably wasn't earnings. If earnings were in February, I don't think that was earnings. Let me go check. I doubt Jack held over earnings. If he did, at least it worked. April 8th. Oh, maybe it was. Well, let's go find out. So 2.3 on swings. Yeah, so let's go check it out. Last time, all three of these conditions happened on the same day. So he traded this back over here in late February. Had a little bit of a flag pattern. All right, Momo went long on the daily, went long on the 78-minute chart, and the 10 EMA also triggered. Wow. Okay. So Jack used 3 of our analyses to set this trade up. So he did a Momo on the daily. So let's go look at Momo on the daily. Yep, there's Momo triggering on the daily. Bang, right on that hammer, the one I was talking about on the 5th. What was nice about that is actually went Momo bearish on the daily for one day, and then bloop, the very next day it went long, so it was trapping some bears, obviously. And then you have the, let's see if I have the 10 EMA stored. I don't, but I have it here somewhere. 10 EMA. I used it just the other day. Quarko, let me scroll down. If not, I know where I can get it. Oh, no. All right, let me add it. Give me 3 seconds. Public 10 EMA. Okay, there we go. So I'll pull this one up. I knew I had it somewhere. All right, so I turned that off. Bang. Also got the 10 EMA strategy right there also on April 5th. That's beautiful. And again, there's the other last time it happened was February 9th, the last time I was looking at going long on Levis Trade. And then if I pop into the 78-minute chart and turn on Momo, Momo went long with the extended hours turned off. Yeah, right there. There it is, March 31st. So it was long on Momo in the 78-minute, long on the daily, and the 10 EMA triggered. And Jack, congratulations. Got lucky over earnings, or either that or you were able to sell, right here with that uptick. I'm not entirely sure, but it looks like you're able to sell somewhere around market open on this little upper shadow. So anyway, man, good for you. I don't know if you knew it was earnings or not, but I'm glad it worked out in your favor. Sometimes that works, especially on stocks that you don't mind owning for a longer term trade. So awesome job, gentlemen. Let's see if anyone else is looking at another trade. Ooh, Robert Thompson making AMD his ATM. Let me check this one out. So, oh, that's easy. Robert, you shouldn't even post charts like that. Just too simple. Look at this hammer. So you guys know that's a perfect hammer. I mean, that is a thing of beauty. If you don't know how to trade that hammer, message me right now, please. I mean, this is beginner class 101. His entry was there, stop was there, sold into strength. Man, good job there. I love it. Team, such a nice stuff. I'm loving life. I'm so thrilled, happy, and pleased to be enriching lives with each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of Real Life Trading, and I will see you on Monday. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. Bam. That's it. Your Friday trade review. Thank you for being a loyal Real Life Trading subscriber to our YouTube channel. And if you're not, what are you doing? Smash that red subscribe button and click that bell. You rock.